Let's take a look at the UDO app. From the home screen, or hub, we have a list of recent case threads along with our navigation bar. The buttons in the navigation bar include New Case for creating new cases for our patients. Events. Here we can find notifications on recent updates to cases by other collaborators. Next is our Capture button. This lets us create videos, pictures, text, and audio to use within our cases. The Invite button allows us to bring new patients, providers, and other collaborators into the UDO ecosystem. The last button is Detached Captures. This is where captures go that are not initially associated with a case, meaning that you can always capture a video at any moment without being in a case and then attach it to a case later. Let's start by looking at a recent case. This case involves Marcus, the patient, Dr. Sadler, the family care provider, and Dr. Chapman, the orthopedic specialist. UDO enables all of these parties to see the same information as soon as it's shared. In this case, Marcus hurt his knee, and his family doctor recommended that he see a specialist to take a closer look. Instead of Marcus trying to repeat the assessment to the specialist, the information is captured in a video, allowing Dr. Chapman to understand the context and intent of her instructions.
He came in today with sudden onset left knee pain while playing soccer yesterday.
Through this same process, Dr. Chapman shares his findings in another video, showing the meniscal tear while also explaining the plan for surgery. UDO uses a dual camera technology that allows us to see the doctor while also seeing who or what the doctor is talking about. This provides a number of benefits, the most important of which is better context and clarity for any given situation. As the case moves forward, more moments are captured, including the results of the surgical procedure and Marcus's time with the physical therapist. This information is now available to the doctors, the patient, and his family. Marcus's journey is easy to see and understand inside the UDO case, creating context and clarity for everyone involved.